Last year, we had a difficult time with the budget. True or not true? We had a difficult time. But let me report to you that we made the right decisions. Kenya today is respected globally because of the decisions we made. If we hadn't made those decisions, this country would have defaulted. But today, I go to many meetings and many leaders ask me, how did you people in Kenya do it? How did you manage? Today, as I talk to you, as was said by Chair of Budget, from where we were last year, our economy grew by 5.6%. The 27th fastest growing economy in the world. When we came into office, inflation was at 9.2%. By May last year, it was 8%. By April this year, it was 5%. It is because of the decisions we made. Difficult as they were, but they are putting this country in the right trajectory. When we came in, we found a fiscal deficit of 7.2%. That year, we were going to borrow 1.1 trillion. Imagine, 1.1 trillion. We had to cut down 300 billion when we came in. Last year, we reduced to 690 billion. This year, we are reducing that gap. We've now brought it down to 3.4, maybe 3.5%. And I promise you, God willing, in 3 years, we want to have a balanced budget.
The other day, I looked for Honorable Kimani because as he was trying to explain the whole scenario, he was getting in trouble with a few Kenyans. And I called him to assist him in managing the communication because what he was saying is right, and we were agreeing on how he'll go about it. And we'll continue doing so. I want to say that my younger brother here, Nyoro, has done a good job. And I'm also a beneficiary of Dende's economic policies.
I would like to invite all of you to ask yourself one fundamental question. If you are in the driving seat, what would you do under the current circumstances to get us out of the challenges that we have? That's a very important question because it's quite easy sometimes to make a lot of comments, but just put yourself in that situation.
Let's stay focused. Let's not lose sight of our goal. I mean, you guys, we really promise Kenyans big things. The expectations out there are very high. If we start losing focus now, I don't know how we'll face Kenyans in 2027. Let us talk about roads, electricity, education, health, tribes. Let's tone down on the politics. It is not healthy.